Then I said, now in the 60 years, what I done? But I have a little bit kind of a sting in my heart. And the doctors to say that maybe you are very much risky, maybe going to die. Oh, now what can I do? But Dharma support to me very much. And also I'm to say, this is my life, ugly person, and bad student, bad practitioners. But I very much believe in my previous life, I think this person was good. A little bit kind of what positive to done. In this life, I met Buddha's teaching, and also I met really a living Buddhas. Those are my teachers. And I received a lot of PT instructions. And really, if I'm a good student, if I'm practice 100%, absolutely enough.